Okay, so this one is actually quite a big order that I got. It was £50 worth of ribbon from the Ribbon Room because somebody in my group asked for where you could get satin edged ribbon, organza ribbon. And I know that Jem from the Charm Rooms is planning to get some variations of it, but somebody recommended the Ribbon Room, so I had a look online, and guess who ended up spending £50 without even realising that she'd spent £50? And it actually came really quickly. I ordered this on Monday and it turned up on Wednesday, which is today, and I got this little note, so there you go, it's the Ribbon Room. Excuse me. So I'll put the link in the description below for you, but I got some really good prices on these, and they're all sort of quite large, so they're like 25 metres, and I've got 5 metre ones, but most of them were like 20 to 25 or more metres of ribbon. So I got this 3-inch red satin edge organza. I got the white version in the 3-inch as well, and the black version because they only had those colours in the 3-inch, and I like my 3-inch ribbons, and I thought that was quite different. I was thinking if I overlay that over an actual black or white and like have a play around and see what it looks like over growth grain ribbon, or whether or not it'll be settled enough on its own, like if it's thick enough on its own. So I got them. I got this cute organza Halloween ribbon for later on in the year, and again this is another 25 metre one. I got this rainbow organza. This is in 15mm, this is 10 metres of it, so it's all quite a lot on the ribbon. I got this 6mm version, and again that's 10 metres. And I've got this other double-sided rainbow, and this one is 15mm and it's 10 metres in total. And then these were the other 2 interesting ones I got. I got this ruffle organza. I have some ideas for headbands with this, and both of these are 5 metres, but these weren't expensive. I think they're about £1.50, £2 a piece, so for 5 metres that's not bad for this kind of like look. And then I got the satin edge 1.5 inch, well 40mm, so it's just over 1.5 inch ribbon. It's just under 2-inch ribbon, but just over 1.5 mil ribbon. But I got all the different colours. So this one's navy, and they're all 25 metres. I got red, a different shade of red, although it looks quite similar, but that one's slightly lighter in person. Royal, lilac, green, yellow, black, I think that's daffodil, light blue, and white. So look at all those colours. Look how pretty that all is. So like I said, that was my little order from Ribbon Room, and I'm going to be playing around with this and coming up with some tutorials for the organza satin edge ribbon. And like I said, if Jem gets some in stock as well, I'll put the link in my Facebook group so you can look at the colours that she'll have as well, because like I said, I love recommending places for you all to buy things. But like I said, that was my little order from Ribbon Room after my recommendation. So thank you, Janet, as well for that recommendation, because I've heard of the Ribbon Room, but I've not really ordered from them before until now, because like I said, I always think like 25 metres is too much for someone who doesn't make very many bows from it. But if you need a lot, it is perfect, and the prices are really reasonable, because as you can see, all of those, especially considering a lot are 25 metres, £50 for all of that is like very reasonable. So thanks for watching, bye!